ELECMAN Zinc Die-Cast EMT compression type. Coupling is engineered to connect to M-thin. Wall conduits seamless lie. Made of premium zinc alloy, it delivers great corrosion resistance and solids. Mechanical strength. The compression. Locking structure creates tight, vibration-approved joints to prevent separation. UL-listed and compliant with UL 514 standards. It ensures reliable electrical continuity. Available in a full range of sizes for flexible, project matching, simple on-site assembly. Perfect for residential, commercial, and industrial wiring. Providing long-term stable protection for your electrical conduit systems.